The most dangerous secrets aren't locked in vaults or hidden in safes, they ride with you. The slide headrest safe transforms an ordinary car seat into a discreet vault. Built from alloy steel and designed to fit most two-post headrests, it secures valuables with biometric access, keypad entry, or a hard key. Its interior space measures 19 by 8.3 by 15 centimeters, enough for essentials yet compact enough to remain invisible, and it costs $399. When the road ends, this tent turns your truck bed into a wilderness retreat in minutes. The Napier Backroadz Truck Tent 2025 edition is built with durable polyester taffeta and mesh windows, offering weather protection while comfortably housing 2 people. Its design fits multiple bed sizes, from compact short beds to full-size long beds, and sets up without complicated tools. Adventure distilled into fabric and steel carries a price of $200, a number that makes freedom feel surprisingly attainable. Step into your ride with a motion that feels almost alive, boards that glide out when you open the door. Rough Country's electric running boards use dual motors to retract tight against the body for a clean look, then extend automatically with an anti-slip surface and LED illumination. Crafted from alloy steel and aluminum, they're designed for trucks and SUVs from Ford to Chevy, blending rugged strength with sleek convenience. The quiet choreography of steel and light comes at $1,299. A flick of the hand and order replaces chaos, as glasses lock into place with magnetic certainty. The JOYROOM one-handed sunglass holder clips to any car visor, using dual N52 magnets to secure sunglasses or eyeglasses even on rough roads. Its compact design ensures distraction-free driving with 1-second release for effortless access. And the rhythm of simplicity closes with precision, $19. Screens no longer hide in dashboards. They rise, alive with motion, streaming clarity into the driver's world. The LAMTTO RC29 10.25-inch CarPlay video screen integrates wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in YouTube and Netflix, and a rear camera for safer reversing. Its in-cell touchscreen supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and voice assistance, transforming any vehicle into a connected hub. The final note lands sharp and factual, declaring its value at $189. Strength hides beneath sleek lines with the Extang Solid Fold 2.0, a hard folding tonneau cover built for durability. Its EnduraShield polymer panels resist dents, scratches, and UV fading, while a lightweight aluminum frame supports up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed cargo. Triple fin seals and max hinges keep rain, dust, and debris out, passing strict OEM water and load tests. Protection and resilience meet at $839, a price that locks confidence into every mile. Adventure meets adaptability with the Armadillo Inflatable Bed Topper, a truck bed cover that inflates into form. Built with UV-protected PVC coating, clear vinyl windows, and reinforced seams, it shields cargo from rain, snow, and dust while remaining lightweight and portable. Custom fitment ensures aerodynamic efficiency, while D-rings along the sides and roof keep gear secure in motion. Protection that breathes with the road comes at $1,984. The sky pours into the cabin, turning every drive into a panoramic immersion of light and motion. ClearLidz transparent. Jeep panels replace factory Freedom panels with a 180-degree clear polycarbonate roof, engineered to block ultraviolet rays and keep interiors cooler by up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. They fit Jeep Wrangler models from 2007 through 2025 and the Gladiator, installing in minutes without tools while maintaining full weather sealing, for $1,499. Air becomes armor when safety is carried in a bag no larger than a child's smile. The LuftyKid inflatable child safety seat is certified under European regulation ECE, approved for groups 1 and 2, covering children from approximately 9 months to 7 years old, weighing 9 to 25 kilograms. It inflates in under 40 seconds with a double valve, packs into a bag measuring 25 centimeters in diameter and 33 centimeters in height, and is designed for cars, taxis, and coaches. And the gentle weight of protection settles into fact $239. Flashes of warning cut through the night, commanding attention with urgency that cannot be ignored. The LRTER emergency dash strobe lights mount to front or rear windshields with suction cups, delivering amber and green LED signals, powered by 12 volts for volunteer and utility vehicles. Each bar measures 17.7 inches, built with aluminum housing for durability and universal fit, and the pulse of safety finds its cadence in cost $45. Every rescue begins with trust, and this hook is built to earn it the moment steel meets strain. The bolt locking recovery hook is forged from aircraft-grade aluminum, engineered to swivel 160 degrees while securing loads up to 10,000 pounds. Its one-key technology pairs with your vehicle's ignition key, turning recovery into a seamless extension of your own control. Strength and certainty converge at $249. The wind no longer distorts vision because clarity is carved into aerodynamics themselves. Hyundai's IONIQ 9 digital side mirror replaces traditional glass with compact cameras that project real-time views onto interior displays, improving visibility while reducing drag for greater efficiency. It is designed to enhance safety by eliminating blind spots and maintaining sharp detail even in low-light conditions. And the number that anchors innovation to reality is revealed $1,113. No more crawling into the depths of a truck bed. The TruckGlide sliding bed platform brings cargo to you. Made in America from heavy-duty steel with a coated deck, it supports up to 1,500 pounds while extending fully for effortless access. Its spring-loaded handle and integrated D-rings make securing and retrieving equipment smooth, even under demanding conditions. Convenience forged in steel carries a price starting at $1,499.